Fluorite ore can produce 3 different specifications of products, namely block concentrate, plastic ore, and powder concentrate. Fluorite powder ball pressing machine has good wear resistance, is fully understand the peer development direction, set all the advantages of similar ball pressing machine, make full use of a variety of mature technology to develop a new generation of products. The whole machine strong steel, the press roll made of wear-resistant alloy forging bearing adopts rolling mill bearing conditioning treatment. Hydraulic system is supported by regular big factories. Fluorite powder ball press is widely used in practice, can produce a variety of materials, powder ball forming block, such as quartz powder, quartz ore, fluorite powder, as well as non-ferrous metal industry powder, auxiliary materials, especially suitable for high value added materials.